Welcome to Nell Town 2, my model railway build from Putney to Wandsworth Town. In the last video, you'll remember that I promised a video of me building the signal on platform 4. Well, in this video, it is split into two parts. The first part, the videos of a cat-handed bloke trying to build a signal, and then moving on to the addition of a third rail. So hopefully you'll enjoy. Well, this is where I'll be fitting the new signal. Obviously I'm going to have to drill a hole through because I'm going to make the signal as prototypically as possible, and therefore the control aspect does not sit on top of the platform. So I'm going to make a post seat and attach a signal head to that. I've decided to build the signal from a Train Tech kit that I purchased from Gaugemaster, and then use one of their SC2 controllers to make the signals change based on a point further down the line moving. First of all, I measured the post footplate from the controller, and then made my own using plastic card, as you can see, and then used a plastic rod or tube to act as the post, because of course the wires are going to be fed down the inside of it. And now follow public information videos on how not to build a signal head. But eventually I succeeded. And here it is, fitted in place. I still have to add the telephone box and number board, but having spent ages trying to get the soldering done and fitting the parts together, I think I'll leave the addition of the telephone box and the board to a later date. Now on to the amazing fitting of the third rail. As you know, when I can, I really enjoy the challenge of making parts myself. So I thought I can have a crack at this. Initially, I cut out some discs using the laser cutter from 1mm MDF and inserted a track pin through and then glued some rail on just as a test piece, but the tolerances were too close for the shoes on the Bachmann EMU I have, so I thought I need to lower it. So I decided to super glue the discs onto the sleepers and not use the track pins. Obviously, running through a station, the third live rail is in the center, away from the platform edges in case anyone stepped down. So it's a safety aspect. And in this video, you can see that I am just scraping away a little bit of paint from the sleeper, and it's every 6th sleeper I've used. And by removing the paint, again, potentially a better bond for the super glue, and I then go on and super glue all of the discs in place, which represent the supports for the third rail. I gave the discs 24 hours to dry so the glue could cure before super gluing the rails. At the end of each rail, where it starts, I've actually bent down the end with pliers to simulate the realistic third rail. All in all, in the long run, despite the issues building the signal, I'm pretty happy with the third rails that I've installed, and also the signal I've built, which I still got to add parts to, but yeah, I think the effect is getting there. Thank you once again for watching the video, hopefully from start to end. And if you do like what you see and want to follow the layout build progress, please subscribe. And if you so desire, please click on the like button and the bell icon so you get notifications of when the next video comes out. Bye for now.